In this video, we'll study Arrange Main Menu Item. Send to Back Menu Item places the object behind the others. Bring to Front Menu Item places the object in front of the others. Align Menu Items let you arrange group of the objects. Align Left Menu Item aligns objects to the left side. Align Center Menu Item aligns group of the objects to the center. Align Right Menu Item aligns objects to the right. Align Top Menu Item aligns objects to the top. Align Medium Menu Item aligns objects to the center vertically. Align Bottom Menu Item aligns objects to the bottom. Space horizontally or vertically menu items place objects with equal spacing between them. Rotate clockwise and rotate counterclockwise menu items. Rotate this selected object 19 degrees clockwise and counterclockwise. In order to group several objects, select them and click Group Objects menu item. To ungroup object, click corresponding menu item. If you want to lock and unlock object, click corresponding menu items. If you want to change zoom of the edited screen and objects on it, click corresponding menu items. If you want to show hide grid, click Snap to Grid menu item. If you want to change grid's dimension, click Set Grids tab menu item and enter value. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum.